Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Dbeaver on Debian 12 operating system. The process is same on all Debian operating systems. First open any web browser, then go to Dbeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. Hit enter. See here, Dbeaver is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, database administrators, analysts and everyone working with the data. Supports popular databases like SQL databases like MySQL, MariDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite and Apache family and more. Okay, see here we have the two types of Dbeaver versions, Community and Pro. Pro is the paid one, but it has more number of features. But Community is free, but it has less features. So in this video, but the installation process is same for Community or Pro. So in this video, we are going to see how to download and install this Community edition. Click on download. Then for Debian or Ubuntu, we have to download this Linux Debian package. Click on it. See, download has been started and its size is 120 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. Show downloads. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, click on activities, open terminal, cd, downloads, ls. See, we have the Dbeaver CE. CE means community edition and 24.2 is the version number of the Dbeaver, and this is the .deb. So install it by running the command sudo dpkg-i, then give the package name Dbeaver, just give dp and hit tab to autofill and hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. See, we have successfully installed Dbeaver Community Edition. Now click on activities, then show applications, then search for. See, we have more applications, then it is better to search. See here we have the Dbeaver. Click on it. Do you want to create sample database? No. Then connect to a database. This is the pop-up open. Cancel it. Don't share. Confirm. Let me maximize it. See, now click on this new database connection. See here we have the options like popular. See, we are on popular, so we have the SQL, NoSQL, analytical time series, embedded, Hadoop, full text and graph databases. So select the popular, search for PostgreSQL. See, we have the PostgreSQL. Click on PostgreSQL, then click on next. Then here we have to provide the host where PostgreSQL is installed. PostgreSQL is installed on this PC, so I am giving localhost, database name Postgres, username and database I am giving R2 schools, which is there in my host. Let me go to terminal, sudo su-postgres psql/d/l. See, I have the database R2 schools, so I am giving R2 schools, then username Postgres, then provide the password of this user. If you want to save the password, you have to keep the checkbox, otherwise uncheck and click on test connection. See, click on download. It is going to download driver files. See, connected successfully. Click on OK. Click on finish. Now expand it. Expand databases. Expand. See, schemas are there. Schema public. See, I have the tables. See, table is there. Even if you go to administrator, if you go to job roles, we have the users. If you want to run the queries against this database, right click and select the SQL editor. Select open SQL console. Now we can run the queries like select star from student. This is the table name. Select it and click on this execute button. See, this is the data. Okay, so still if you want to create new database, right click on databases, select create database, then provide the name for the database, test to, select OK. We are unable to find here. See, here we have the database R2 schools. Okay, but if you go to terminal, here also you can find. Again give the same. See, new database test2 is there. Okay, also in the same way, if you want to connect MySQL, you have to click on this connection, then select the MySQL, then select next. Then here we have to provide database name, username, password, then you have to click on test connection. This is the way to connect to PostgreSQL or MySQL. Also you can connect to NoSQL, but for some of the applications like Cassandra, we need Pro. We need Pro version for these applications. But for SQL, for these, no need Pro version. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install, and configure Dbeaver on Debian 12 operating system. For more database or PostgreSQL or MySQL videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.